What excites me most about this project really is the opportunity we've now got to build something that's a lot better for the users of the network. We're wanting to build a walkway that's, well, a lot wider than what we've got here already. Obviously it's difficult for cyclists and pedestrians to pass on this bridge, so we want to build a wider path that will better link the two sides of the river. It will be substantially better than what people have got now. This bridge is the best part of 100 years old. The maintenance costs are increasing rapidly year on year, so to put a new bridge here is just going to be a big plus for Hutt City.
Many things to be excited for. I think the biggest aspect will be to have a wide shared path. Whether you're a walker or a cyclist or a scooterer or someone with a pram, you'll be able to pass someone who's oncoming very, very easily, as opposed to having to wait for these passing bays. So at the moment the walkway is connected to a steel I-beam that's at the base of the bridge deck. The connections to that steel I-beam are currently failing, so it's not in the greatest condition at the moment. But also, as you can see, I am 5 foot tall. Barriers are meant to be 1.4 meters high. So for us, by replacing this bridge, it's not just to get a brand new shiny bridge that will last an extra 50 years, it's to make it safe and compliant for all sorts of users.
This bridge has been standing strong for us since 1927, so it's almost a century-old bridge. We are on the bridge right now, so as you can see, the wooden sleepers that are out here are quite old in age as well as the two metal sticks which we call rail, sitting on top of the wooden sleepers on which the train runs. All of this stuff is actually close to its end of life. We actually have to come in and put new stuff in there. It's similar to going to a mechanic with your car and the mechanic tells you, okay, your tires have actually run out of tread and you need to replace the tires. Similarly, we are just replacing the metal sticks and the sleepers on which the trains are running. Currently, we do have a speed restriction on the up main, which means the train traveling from Wellington towards the Hutt Valley and Masterton are running at a slow speed of 40 kilometers an hour while passing through the bridge, only because of the condition of the rail that we are talking about. And we want to make sure we do the renewal ASAP so that we can get rid of the restriction and get the trains back and running in its original speed, high speed. Unfortunately, we cannot keep the walkway open while we are doing the work because the walkway is attached to the part we are replacing. The walkway is meant to be closed on Labour Weekend block of line in late October, and it will be open once the walkway is installed again.
There's around 2,300 people cross this bridge every week, so it's a very well used asset for the community here.
So as soon as KiwiRail are done, we'll get going on our construction. We're hoping construction will end around mid-2026 and then it will be open to the public from then.